How to use HubSpot CRM. So first things first, head over to HubSpot.com, and once you're onto HubSpot.com, you're gonna navigate onto the dashboard. So this is where you're gonna find an overview of your sales pipeline, contacts, deals, and tasks. You can also customize your settings over here before you can start adding contacts and deals. You can take your time to customize these settings over here. Head over to settings. And from here, you can add in the account setup, the integration, marketplace downloads, user teams, and so on and so forth. You can also head over to the data management section where you can add in objects, import and export data, as well as contacts, and work with the export audits as well. Next things, you're going to head back over onto your workspaces, and you're going to look into the different workspaces that you have and they're offering. Into the CRM section of HubSpot, which is basically the heart of what we are here for, you're going to click onto contacts. And here you can start building your contacts database by clicking on contacts tab and then click on create contact. It's super simple, easy, and intuitive process. You can fill in the relevant information and add in their name, their email address, their phone number, and any other details that you have. And once you're done with that, you can just simply create and add another one by entering up these details right here. Next up that you have to do is heading over to CRM once again and go on to companies. Here is where you can organize these contacts by listing them down in list filters and adding the company details by creating the company owner's name, the specific leads that you've generated with them, the last activity you've had with them by simply clicking on create company. You can do that by also importing this data from another website, you could do that by creating up a sync or start an import from another website. Next up is the deals section where you can track in your deals by clicking on this deals tab and then clicking on create deal. Here is where we are going to enter in the details of the deal, including the deal name, amount, expected close date, and the deal states that we have, and who is the deal owner, the type of deal, and the priority that you have with it. Once you're done and enter up all these details, you can simply click on create and click on create and add another. This way you've created a deal for the CRM purpose. Next up, you can head over to the CRM section of the tickets, the list, the inbox, the calls, as well as the tasks. Now here you can manage in the tasks using the task manager, so you can stay really ahead of your game by sticking up to organization. You can create tasks for yourself or even for your team members and assign them to multiple different team members by adding up the set due dates, then track their completion status as well. You can have the due date set up at a specific time or when, even add in specific reminders and simply click on create and add another. So this way you've created, all your tasks that you want to work on. Next up, we are going to be talking about the campaigns that you can run by clicking on campaign. You can choose them to be forums, emails, social media campaigns, and advertisements as well. In the content section, you can create landing pages, website pages, as well as work onto the podcasts and embeds. Into the commerce areas where you can look into the reports and analytics, where you can look into the payment section, invoices, payment links, codes, as well as products that you offer. Now the best part here is automations, where you can basically just, quit all the repetitive tasks and add in automations. In the reporting and data section is the integration, where you can integrate HubSpot with multiple different other tools, including email marketing platforms, sales automation tools, and customer support services. So you can use all of this to stay ahead of your game and utilize all of their features to track your sales performance and identify areas that you're lacking in and use them to improve on your business. So overall, HubSpot CRM is a powerful tool for managing your sales process and organizing your contacts and driving growth for your business.